If you're looking for a powerful new AI tool to elevate your digital marketing or content creation, the iRocket VoxTalker AI software might just be what you're searching for. In this review, we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about iRocket VoxTalker AI and why it's already generating buzz since its release. Stick around to the end because I'll be sharing how you can try this software completely free with the first link in the description. So, what makes iRocket VoxTalker AI stand out in the crowded world of AI tools? Well, this software was specifically designed to streamline communication and help businesses engage their audience more effectively using advanced AI. One of its core features is its voice synthesis technology. It can take written text and convert it into highly natural sounding speech, almost indistinguishable from a human voice. This is a game changer for creating realistic voiceovers for your videos, podcasts, and even customer service interactions. Beyond just converting text to speech, iRocket VoxTalker AI offers real-time language translation. This feature opens up new doors for global reach, allowing you to produce content that speaks to diverse markets instantly. Whether you're targeting a local audience or looking to expand internationally, this feature can save you hours of manual work and ensure your message is always on point. Now let's talk about customization. VoxTalker AI allows for deep customization of the voice output. You can adjust tone, speed, pitch, and even emotion, which gives you full control over how your content sounds. This means you can create content that's personalized for your audience, whether you're aiming for a professional tone or something more casual and engaging. Another powerful feature is its integration with various platforms, including social media and CRM systems. This allows businesses to seamlessly incorporate voice messages into their marketing campaigns. Whether you're creating ad copy, social media posts, or email sequences, you can add a personal touch by using AI-generated voices to enhance your messaging. One thing that sets iRocket VoxTalker apart is its ease of use. You don't need any technical experience to get started. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible to marketers, content creators, and business owners who want to leverage AI without getting bogged down in complicated setup processes. VoxTalker also includes advanced analytics tools that track how your voice content performs. This allows you to make data-driven decisions, refining your messaging and strategy for maximum impact. You'll have access to metrics that show how your audience is engaging with your content, which can help you optimize for higher conversions. Lastly, one of the most exciting aspects of iRocket VoxTalker is its affordability. Most AI tools in this space can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month, but iRocket VoxTalker offers competitive pricing that makes it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Plus, if you're still unsure, you can try the software for free with the first link in the description below. In conclusion, iRocket VoxTalker AI is shaping up to be a must-have tool for anyone serious about content creation, marketing, or expanding their reach with AI-driven communication. It combines powerful voice synthesis, language translation, platform integrations, and customization, all in an easy-to-use, cost-effective package. If you're curious about other great AI software options, I've got my top recommendations in the description below, all of which you can try for free. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say these are some of the best out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.